Hello guys, today I will be unboxing the Seiki Everyday Rice Cooker. So let's unbox it. But first, I will tell you what's on this box. It has a non-stick removable pot. It has an auto keep warm mode. It comes with a measuring cup and spoon and a tempered glass lid. Now let's unbox this.
A classic folk song lyric is skip to my little mind. Darling, there's a great pushback. 1:06 on the clock, Chaser needs 11. Time restarts now. The 2019 film Dumbo stars French actor Edward Who. Correct. The height of Viagra is on the
Few passes.
Correct. Handschuh is the German word for what clothing item? Jackson Irvine is represented in Australia in what ball sport? Stop the clock. Jackson Irvine is represented in Australia in what ball sport? Soccer. Soccer, confident answer. Right. Jason is 9:46 on the clock. Time restarts now. Small country borders only Romania and Ukraine. Although, correct. In Aussie style, nearly typically refers to what racing animal? Correct. Multiplied threat is a very
The instruction manual. Oh, I'm sorry about Ike's Screaming Puma. So this is the instruction manual. So we have the machine, a steamer, a pot, a cup, a water cup, a lid, and a rice spoon. And now everything is fully assembled. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.